Hello everyone, welcome back to another Genius tutorial brought to you by Weatherford BMW. Today we're going to talk about the remote start function, which is available as a standalone option in your new BMW. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that your car is equipped with it. And to begin doing that, you'll have to head to the inside of the car. Now that we're in the car, you'll need to enable the remote start feature. First, you'll need to head to your car's settings. Once you do that, head to climate control. And once in climate control, select preconditioning and ventilation. Once you do that, you should see remote engine start in the option to check it off. In order to start your car remotely, you'll need to press the lock button 3 times. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insightful videos.